Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for February 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. It really helps our channel. Okay, so let's see, Taurus, what's coming to you February 2025 for Taurus. Thunderbolt. Oh, meron kayong creative idea. You're also becoming more open-minded, no? Yung tipong welcome mo na ang mga bagong opportunity sa buhay mo, yung mga dating hindi mo iniisip na opportunity para sa'yo, ngayon welcome mo na. Example, kung dati hindi mo iniisip na pwede kang kumita online, ngayon open ka na sa ganong idea. Can be any idea. You also have Moon. Moon is your emotion. This is your instinct, your intuition. So maaring mas focus ka rin sa iyong emotion ngayong February. Yung kumbaga mas mas aware ka sa nararamdaman mo, mas aware ka sa gusto ng sarili mo. Alam mo 'yon, 'di ba? Minsan meron tayong gusto for ourselves pero hindi natin maibigay 'yon sa sarili natin for some reasons, or may mga restrictions, may limitations. But I think ngayon you want to honor yourself, no? Honor your emotions, na sarili mo naman ang iintindihin mo. Let's see what else. You have Rainbow. Rainbow is abundance, new opportunity na parating sa inyo. Some of you, you may have experienced some trials, not challenges in the past. And ngayong February, dito mo na marirealize na lahat ng mga challenges, pagsubok, lumilipas rin, 'di ba? And merong bagong pag-asa. There's hope. And I think you're seeing that hope. It's starting. Nagsisimula na. Nagsisimula na yung mga bagong opportunities for you. Kumbaga, ayan kaya nga open-minded ka eh. Open-minded ka ba? Yung mga tanong dati, no, kapag mga networking. So, some of you, maaring yun nga, meron kang bagong idea, whatever this is na talagang deep within you, gusto mo talagang subukan, gawin, and wala na makakapigil sa'yo. You're going to honor yourself. You're going to honor your desires. Let's see your overall energy. Overall energy. The Ace of Swords. Oh, may decision. You have a major decision coming in. And itong decision na to, this is going to be successful para sa'yo. Kasi pinag-isipan mo to eh. Hindi mo lang to basta ginawa. Hindi mo lang to basta sinubukan. Pinag-isipan mo. And yes, definitely there is change coming in. Parang shift ng ng mindset. May nagbabago sa mindset mo. And then your challenge is the King of Cups. Oh, ayun na. As a challenge, this is about your emotions. So maari kasing mabilis kang maawa, mabilis kang very emotional, no? I think this is your time to be more controlling sa iyong emosyon, or parang in control, not actually controlling, but in control of your emotions. 'Di ba? Na alam mo kung kailan mo i-release yung emotion mo, alam mo rin kung kailan mo na pipigilan yung sarili mo, because alam mo kung ano maiging epekto nun kapag you are all over the place, yung parang hindi mo makontrol yung sarili mo. Mm. I also see here na maaring if you are connecting with a masculine or anyone actually, kasi King of Cups to. So most likely mga masculine. There is a person sa buhay mo na pwedeng nagiging dahilan ng challenges sa mga decision mo. Like, someone na romantic connection mo or can be a person na mahal mo sa buhay na pumipigil or parang hindi sumusuporta sa mga gusto mong gawin or i-pursue. Oo. So, kailangan kausapin mo lang ng maigi. At kung talagang ayaw nila, edi i-pursue mo kung ano yung gusto mo. Whatever your heart's desired, 'di ba? Whatever your heart desires. And then your opportunity is the Justice card. Oh, equality, balance. Yes. This is the truth. This is your parang binibigay mo yung dinideserve mo sa sarili mo. You have the opportunity to give yourself what you deserve. And this is also an opportunity for you na mabalanse mo yung oras at panahon mo sa sarili mo, sa mahal mo sa buhay, lalo na kung very busy ka. And then your blessing, kunin ko tong nauna. Yan. The blessing is the Chariot, which is about success. This is progress, no? So, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng merong mga aasikasuhin ngayong February na magiging very successful. This can be sa career, trabaho, business. 12th house. If you are kung kayo ay nasa medical field, merong success dito sa pinupurso ninyo. Halimbawa, mag-e-exam kayo or nag-a-apply kayo abroad, to work abroad. Some of you, magkakaroon din ng clarity sa inyong mental health, no? Yung kumbaga, parang mas magiging maayos yung way of thinking mo ngayong February. May clarity, may happiness. Parang nakikita mo na yung direction na tatahakin mo. Kasi minsan, nagkakaroon tayo ng anxiety dahil we don't know where to go. Na parang we are lost. But, ngayong February, you will find your way. Okay? Mahanap mo kung ano yung talagang direction na para sa'yo. And this is going to be a blessing to you. Okay? So, let's see what else pa. For Taurus. Uy, iba sa inyo makakatulog ng maayos. More on sleeping, kumbaga maayos yung inyong sleeping patterns. Some of you naman, if you're connecting with someone, kung kayo ay romantically, connected, meron kayong relationship, you will have a very satisfying connection with this person, especially if you are sexually active, no? So, rated SPG. Or some of you naman, this is pagtanggap sa yung sexuality. Pagtanggap sa kung sino ka talaga. Healing. Yes. You are healing from your past. You are healing from your trauma. So, there's also a rebirth. So, parang you are finally realizing your worth. You are reassessing your situation din. So, inaalam mo kung ano yung makakabuti sa'yo, ano yung hindi. Maraming options para sa inyo, but you will choose the best. Meron ditong disappointment with someone. Baka yung iba sa inyo, this is the disappointment with a masculine, which is Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces energy, or someone na you are romantically connected with. So, you're going to be very happy kasi meron ditong increase ng wealth. So, maaring tumaas yung sweldo mo, tumaas yung income mo. Ngayong February, mas marami kang kita. Ayan. Uy, success talaga. Guaranteed success. So, whatever this is that you are working on, Taurus, ano man tong binibigyan mo ng attention, focus, ngayong February is going to be successful. 'Di ba? Pinapalaya mo yung sarili mo. If beating yourself up work to be thin, rich, and happy, try loving yourself instead. Yes, you will love yourself more. And you are going to free yourself. Palalayaan mo sa limitasyon yung sarili mo. Ganda. Okay, so that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.